Hello, welcome back. In my previous videos, I have already discussed about some shapes like square, triangle, rectangle. Then we had a diamond shape. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about some more shapes. So the first shape I'm going to discuss today is this shape. Have you seen this shape? This is an oval shape. It's similar to a circle, right? Yes, it's similar to a circle. It's an oval shape, but it's little elongated at the sides. It's an oval shape. O-V-A-L, oval. Oval shape. So let's see some objects having oval shape. Here we have a potato. A potato. Can you see? It's having oval shape. It's elongated at both the ends, right? Okay, then we have an egg. Can you see this egg? It's oblong at the sides, at the edges. It's similar to a circle, but oblong at the sides. So egg is of oval shape. In our everyday life, we come across many things that have oval shape. For now, I have a kiwi with me. Can you see? It's having oval shape. Same way, we have green grapes and watermelon in oval shape. So it's a task for you to find out many other things having oval shape. One of the example that we use every day is of a bathing soap. Bathing soap we use every day and it is of an oval shape. The next shape I am going to show you is of the heart shape. The heart is made up of two curves. Can you see a red color heart? This shape is of a heart shape. It's a red color heart. You can observe heart shape in many things around us, like a birthday cake or your sunglasses. They have a heart shape. Then I have a picture of balloons, red balloons having a heart shape. Can you see the next shape? I think let's discuss that shines in the night sky, something like twinkle twinkle. Okay, so the next shape is the star shape. This is a star shape. It is having 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a star shape, a blue color star. Where can you observe this star? In the night sky. In the night sky. You can observe the stars. We get many objects having star shape in our day-to-day life. Let's see some of them. Here I have a picture of star-shaped cookies. Can you see? Do everyone like to eat cookies? Yes. So we have a picture of star-shaped cookies. Can you see? It's decorated with so many stars. Yes. And you know, on Christmas Day, we decorate our houses with stars because Santa Claus and all the angels, they love to see the stars and they come at your home. So it's so beautiful. So you need to remember. And the next shape I'm going to discuss about is crescent shape. A blue color crescent. Yes, you can observe the crescent in the night sky. It's not always in the sky, but we can observe it only on some days. It's like a shape of a moon. The crescent shape, you can see, is broad at middle and thin towards the end. It's broad at the middle and thin towards the end. Okay, let's see what we have in a crescent shape. Can you see this? Here I have a picture of a pillow. This pillow is in crescent shape. It's so beautiful and so comfortable. Then at last, I'm going to show you a hexagon shape. Can you see? A hexagon shape? A hexagon shape. It's having 6 sides. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a 6-sided hexagon. All its sides are equal. all the sides are same. It's a hexagon, a yellow color hexagon. So let's see what we have in hexagon shape. I have with me a clock having hexagon shape. Can you see? This clock is having 6 sides of equal length. It's a clock of hexagon shape. Bye. See you with some more interesting videos next time.